Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. So in this video we are going to talk about Cucumber Handson. Okay, so just follow this lecture. By the end of this lecture you will able to solve the hands-on of this Cucumber tutorial. Okay, so yeah, in this one, like what we have to do now, first let's understand these things. Okay, so we have to write a feature file, okay, which will accept both Python code as well as Java code. Okay, so what you have to do, so you have to open your project first. How to open the project and also I already told you in my one lecture, that is T12 hands-on platform introduction video. Okay, so you can go to the playlist and check these things as well if you are not aware how to open hands-on platform. Okay, now, so like in this, for this Cucumber you have to open three different tabs. First one, we have to open annotation.py file. In second one we have to open annotation.java, and third one we have to open this cucumber.feature. Okay, this is our main file where we have to write the code. Okay, so first just remember these things, like we have to write like the same way which we have written here. Okay, the indentation should be follow here. Okay, so we have to write like feature count number of character in the name. So this text will be of different thing, but yeah, this indentation should be same. Okay, so the s will be lie inside one tab inside this feature, and this given will be one tab. Okay, you have to trigger tab. Okay, one tab you have to give before writing this given. Okay, again this name, this should be indentation as well. Okay, and then like below given we have to write when, and then we have to give this one. So yeah, here also you have to remember one thing. So once we are giving like this, we count the number of character, these things now, so you have to copy. Okay, you have to copy these things from the annotation file. Okay, so you can take help of annotation.py file, where you can get this we count the number of characters written in the one function. Okay, so you have to copy. Don't try to write from your end. Okay, sometimes it will throw an error, so you have to copy from the annotation file and then you have to paste here. Same for this one, same for this one. In place of this two, there should be I think character number or file, anything there should be, or file name, anything will be there. Okay, so once you copy, now I forgot this name, but yeah, once you copy this thing, so you will get some different thing here. Okay, so you have to edit this one with double quotes 2, and for same for this one length double quotes 5. Okay, so once you copy from there na annotation.py file, so you will find something different here. So you have to edit this one, and then you have to write the same line, write as it is all the things from there only. Okay, just copy and paste here these three things, and then open a terminal, write sh install.sh and then sh run.sh. Okay, then this will be completed. Okay, so yeah, this is okay. Like most of people, you already know these things, but yeah, I'm just trying to put my effort to show you how to write these things and all. So if you found any issue, just ping me in the description box. Definitely we will answer those questions. Okay, and you can see this test run 2, so definitely this will pass for you as well. So try from your end once guys. Okay, and let me know. So guys, happy learning. Subscribe to my channel if you are new subscriber. Okay, and we'll see you in the next lecture of Selenium hands-on. Okay, and also like I am going to create one Telegram link. In some day I will post that group link in community post, so you can go there and add yourself into this Telegram channel. Okay, so that's all in this video guys. We'll see you in our next lecture. Thank you, bye bye.